Hi, I'm Jack. Welcome to Delaware National Townhomes, set on the site of the former Delaware National Golf Course. This spectacular neighborhood offers the only new luxury townhomes minutes from Greenville. Living at Delaware National is the best of both worlds. Your home will be set in a stunning community defined by mature trees and natural beauty, and you'll still be in an ultra-convenient location close to shopping, dining, and entertainment. Running errands is a breeze, with Wegmans at Barley Mill less than 2 miles from home. Upscale Italian fare is seconds away, right across the street at Capers and Lemons. Starbucks and Pizza by Elizabeth's are under 4 miles from Delaware National too. If you need to do some more serious shopping, the Christiana Mall and Fashion Center is under 8 miles from home, and the shops and restaurants from Greenville are just minutes from home too. Commuters and travelers, you'll be less than 5 minutes from 141 and close to I-95 and 202 for easy travel around the region. The Philadelphia International Airport is less than 30 minutes from home, and the lock and leave lifestyle at Delaware National Townhomes makes going on vacation a breeze. No need to worry about who's mowing the lawn. Yard maintenance is covered by the HOA. The location isn't the only thing to love about Delaware National. You'll love your luxurious new townhome just as much. This unique 2-story floor plan offers the space and feel of a single-family home, combined with the convenience of townhome living. With up to 5 bedrooms and over 2,400 square feet of living space, you'll have plenty of rooms for family and guests. Enter on the main level through the front door or 2-car garage. You won't have to lug your groceries or shopping bags up a flight of stairs after running errands. Your spacious gourmet kitchen is open to the living room, so you'll never miss a moment of the action. Luxury comes standard at Delaware National, both inside and out of your home. Enjoy quartz countertops, luxury vinyl plank flooring, high-end finishes, hardy plank siding, bronze windows, stone facades, and so much more at no additional cost. The finished basement adds even more flexible living and entertainment space that you can style to suit your needs. A community like this one doesn't come around often. Don't miss your chance to call Delaware National home. Schedule your appointment today to see everything Delaware National has to offer in person. Your future self will thank you.